Good morning, grade 8th. How are you? So, today we will do chapter number 4, exercise number 7. Okay, responde negative. Negative. Okay, so we have to make the negative form. So, see the first one. Question is Allez-vous au Tom? Okay, then answer is we have to make the sentence with the negative form no. Okay, all we have to make with no. Right? All we have to make negative form. So first one is see the question 7th A, exercise 7, first part. Allez-vous au tombe? Tomb is a temple. Okay, then we have to make the negative form with no. So no, je ne vais, is to go. So okay, I don't go to the temple. Okay, so I don't go. No, I don't go to the temple. B parts again. Est-ce que tu prends du potage? Potage is like a starter soup. Okay, so no, je ne prends pas de potage. No, I don't take soup. Okay, so if the question, okay, this is prendre is to take, right? C part. No, je ne mange pas mon dîner à 8 heures. The question is, mangez-vous votre dîner à 8 heures? Like you are taking your dinner at 8 o'clock. So no, je ne mange, I don't eat. Mange is to eat. Mon dîner is dinner à 8 heures, 8 o'clock. D part. Nous en foot le soir. Okay, so non, nous ne jouons pas. Jouer, it's like to play. Pas en foot le soir. Okay, so no, we don't play football. E part. Est-ce que vous êtes Indian? Like, are you Indian? No, je ne suis pas. This is être, meaning is I am. Okay, but here is je ne suis pas. I'm not Indian. So it's just je ne suis pas Indien. Okay, it's a masculine form. Je ne suis pas Indien. Then F part. As-tu une voiture rouge? Okay, so do you have a red car? So no, je n'ai pas de voiture rouge. Okay, so I don't have a red car. Prends-tu du thé? Okay, so no, je ne prends pas de thé. So I prends is to take, so I don't take tea. Thé is tea. H part. Question is, avez-vous le livre de français? Like, do you have French book? No, je n'ai pas. I don't have. Le livre. Livre is a book. De français, French. I part. Question is, prenez-vous le train pour Paris? Okay, no, je ne prends pas. So, prendre is to take. Okay, pas le train. Train is train pour Paris, for Paris. Okay, so I don't take a train for Paris. Êtes-vous policier? Are you police? No, je ne suis pas policier. Policier is a masculine form. Okay, so this is your exercise 7 and exercise 8. In this exercise you have to change the plural forms. See the first one. Question, il est grand. It's a masculine form, so ils sont grands. They are tall. B part. Je suis français. I am French. Then plural is nous sommes français. We are French. C part. Elle est anglais. She is English. So elles sont anglaises. This is anglais plural form. So they are English is like Britisher. D part, Seth Farm Canadian A courageous. Okay, so says farm Canadian, so courageous, it's a plural form, ending will be s. Okay, so like says farm is these Canadian ladies are brave. Okay, this is brave, meaning of this word. Then see the E part. Les garçons portugais sont gentils. Okay, this is a plural form, and the singular form is E part. Le garçon portugais est gentil. Okay, then plural form is les garçons is boy, portugais is Portugal, sont it's a plural form for are, and gentil, okay, it's like kind. Okay, the boys Portugali are kind person. Okay, les garçons, the boys Portuguese Portugalis are gentil. Okay, sympathetic, kind person, nice. Okay. F part, l'étudiant est grow. Okay, so this is the masculine form, grow, to grows, to grow, and the les étudiants, it's a message, the students are growing. Okay, grow is like a healthy. Okay, nos pères sont bons, like our fathers are handsome. Okay, bon is for handsome, no is our, père is like plural form, fathers. Okay, so bon is handsome. Il is japonais. Okay, he's Japanese, and also Japanese, they are Japanese, right? If you see the exercise 9, same like we have done negative forms. So these are the verbs. Okay, this is the conjugations of the verbs. So we have to put na before the verb and pa after the verb. Okay, all are the verbs. Okay, so see the first, le matin, in the morning. Okay, A part, we have to change the negative. The formula is na before the verb and pa after the verb. This is the formula, na before the verb and pa after the verb. Okay, na, then verb, then pa. Meaning is do not. Okay, see the first one, 9th, negative form, first part. Le matin, it's morning. Mr. Linoir. Okay, Mr. Linoir ne se dépêche pas. Okay, does not hurry. Okay, so dépêche is hurry, but negative form is there, does not. Okay, like in the morning, Mr. Linoir does not in hurry. Okay, B part, elle se couche tard, and then answer is elle ne se couche pas tard. Okay, couche is to sleep and tard is late night. Okay, she does not sleep late night. Okay, couche is to sleep. C part, Madame Verma, like Madam Verma. If you see the C part question, Madame Verma Samaki. Then we are on 6. Madame Verma ne se maquille pas. Cucutement. Okay. So cucutement is like flirtatiously. Okay, like chulbulapan. So Madam Verma nasa makil pa. Makil is like makeup. Okay, to put makeup. Okay, and kukut mon, it's like flirtatiously. Okay, so D part. Nu na nu promo pala soiree. So okay, we do not walk in the evening. Le soir is evening. E part. Madame Linois ne se repose pas après 6 heures du soir. Okay, like Madame Linois ne se repose to rest. Okay, after 6 o'clock evening. Soir is evening. Okay. Rohini ne s'occupe pas de ménage le dimanche. Occupe is busy of ménage to like housework in the dimanche. Dimanche is Sunday. Okay. Wait. Okay, so this is the ménage. Ménage we use for to cleaning. Okay, or like housework. Okay, so this is ménage. Okay, then this is G part. Akash et Roser ne s'amuse pas beaucoup pendant la weekend. Akash and Roser, this is a plural form. Ne s'amuse pas. Okay, it's like to enjoy. Beaucoup, a lot, pendant la weekend, during the weekend. So okay, the Akash and Roser do not enjoyed a lot during the weekend. Emily ne se brosse pas en dents la nuit aussi. Emily ne se brosse pas. Brosse is to brush. En dents, teeth, la nuit aussi. In the night also. Okay. Okay, so this is your negative forms. Exercise number 9. And one more time telling you, F part there is a two meaning: to take care, and occupe is busy also. S'occupe is to take care. Okay, and ménage again I'm telling you to cleaning and to arrange the things at home. Okay, or your office, anywhere. And dimanche is a Sunday. Okay, so this is the F part. Okay, there are two meanings: occupe, then ménage. Okay, so then see the exercise number 10. Répondez aux questions. Okay, the first question is now see the exercise number 10. Répondez aux questions. See the first one. Our question is: à quelle heure vous réveillez-vous? À quelle heure vous réveillez-vous? What time do you wake up? Okay, so je me réveille to wake up at 6 o'clock morning. Du matin. Okay. Then B part: à quelle heure vous lavez-vous? Okay, what time do you get up? So je me lève à 6h30, or you can say 6h30 du matin, 6:30 morning. C part: question is avec quoi vous lavez-vous? Okay, LAVEZ, it means to wash. Okay, so with whom you wash, or like you take shower with hot water or cold water. Okay, so Jamal, okay, this is to wash, to take shower. Avec, with low shore. Okay, low shore is hot water. D part. We, the question is, vous brossez, vous après le dîner, do you brush after dinner? Say we, je me brosse, brush after the dinner. See the E part. Vous rasez vous, do you shave? Say no, je ne me rase pas, so I don't shave. Okay, rase, RASEZ, it's mean eraser, razor. Okay, razor. So F part. Avec quoi vous asseyez vous après là-bas? Okay, so avec quoi vous asseyez vous après là-bas? What do you try yourself with after bath? Okay, après là-bas is to take a bath. Okay, so après là-bas. Okay, je me assieds avec la serviette de toilette. Serviette de toilette is your towel. Okay, right? See, this is towel. Okay, G part. Vous habillez vous bien. Vous habillez vous bien. Okay, so do you try, do you dress up well? Okay, habiller is to dress up. Okay, oui, yes, je m'habille bien, yes, I dress up. Then H part. Vous choisissez vous avant de sortir. So do you put on your shoes before going out? Oui, je me choisis avant de sortir. Yes, I put on or to my shoes before going. Okay, so this is your exercise number 9, 10, 8 and this 7 and 8. Okay, so please complete this one and try to understand. Okay, and thank you, take care. This much we will do. Okay, complete your work.